Alright, I restarted OBS. Let's see if we have properties now. Yes, we do have properties for the Jack input client now. So that's good. And yeah, I'm not a fan of systemd either. Mainly because they use PID 1. I'm not a fan of that at all. But I begrudgingly use systemd. I'm not using the old school startup scripts or any alternative. Systemd is convenient, but it would be nice if they didn't use PID 1 like that. Welcome back to the stream, Miblo. So, to recap what's going on now, Jack, the input client, does have properties now. It has number of channels and a little tick mark for start Jack server. So I suppose I'll tick that. But that's all it has. It doesn't have like an option to select audio devices or anything. Here, I'll show you what I'm looking at. So this is the properties that the Jack input client has. Oh, okay. So I need to do this from QJackCTL. So would that be session, patch bay? I assume it would be one of those two. Oh, connect. Aha. Let me close these. Yeah, there was a fly. I have a fly swatter here, but I don't think I got the fly, so it may in fact make a reappearance. Oh, well, hey, here's the audio interface I have. So how do I hook this thing up so it uses it? Do I just hit connect on the readable one or something? Test? Doesn't look like that's picking it up. Or do we need writable? I'd assume it would be readable that we want. Setup. Setup where? Oh, in this? Output device? Here we go. Okay. So is that going to work? Hello? It doesn't show up in OBS as producing any sound. Or would it be in, I suppose it would be input device, wouldn't it? What is output then? Parameters. It doesn't look like I can change the interface. It's grayed out. Do I need to like select a MIDI driver to do that or something? Doesn't look like that matters. I don't know if that did anything. I'm still not seeing any response from OBS when I'm talking into the microphone. Oh, so I need to stop the Jack server. Okay. Alright, no, I'm still not seeing anything on OBS with that either. Oh, there's some static? Maybe it is picking it up. I did this connection thing. Is that what you're talking about, Miblo? I'm going to mute my audio from the webcam and let me know if you hear me talking still. Let's see. Okay, I just re-enabled my webcam microphone. Okay, so it was, the static was coming from the webcam. Alright. So how do I have my device connected to this jack input client thing? I see Capture 1 and Capture 2 on readable clients. So do I just like connect Capture 1 or something? Does that do anything? Oh, system? System has playback 1, playback 2. I have no idea what those are. Oh, wait. There, I connected both of those to jack input client. I don't know if that is what we want. Okay, so playback is the speakers. That makes sense. There, I just tried refresh. So this is all I'm seeing after refreshing, and yeah, you're right. It does name it correctly under ALSA. Welcome back, Miblo. So I assume that these captures are not working. I'm going to mute my webcam mic again, just to make sure. So I'm assuming there was no sound there. Okay, setup. um, so you're saying I want the microphone set to my interface, which is what I had there. Yes, I definitely said I have a 500-pound squirrel who has the meat sweats. It's a very nice squirrel. That is exactly what I said. You are definitely an expert lip reader. So I should set these to default. Okay, so I have the settings you suggested in my setup now, Miblo. I don't know if it helped though. Nope, the Connect window still only shows Capture 1 and Capture 2 for readable clients. pretty silly that it's so difficult to get this thing working. Like, it works out of the box with Audacity and pretty much everything else I've tried. Like, so here's Audacity, and you can see I have my microphone set up in here to record. And if I go in here and talk into the microphone a little bit, you can see that it picks it up just fine. And it picks it up just fine. And if I go in here and talk into the microphone a little bit, you can see that it picks it up just fine. So it's kind of ridiculous to me that this doesn't work. No, Audacity is not in the Connect window. Do you mean like when it's playing? And if I go in here and yeah, it doesn't show up in the Connect window, Miblo. I get the feeling this kind of thing is why I hear people complain about Linux audio. I do not have MPV. I have MPlayer though. I'm going to play the recording of today from before I stop the stream with MPlayer. So I have that playing right now.
Hello and welcome to the second episode of Risky Business. And this one's going to be pretty interesting. A lot of exciting stuff going on. Handmade Con speaker list was just announced, which is very exciting. And there are some other exciting things going on. As you can see, I have a box here that I have not opened yet. So I think we'll do a little box opening on...
Yeah, it does not appear in the Connect thing. Yes, it does appear that Jack would be running. just not working. Maybe I need to have monitor selected. Where is monitor? Can you clarify what you mean, Miblo? Oh, under setup. Yeah, this check mark. Okay, I checked that, but it doesn't look any different. And I am afraid that we're pretty much out of time for today. So I'll probably have to play with this more off stream, I guess, and maybe we can continue this tomorrow. But that will have to conclude today's episode of Risky Business. So thank you very much, you two, for tuning in. And thanks again to everyone who watches on YouTube. I will see you next time.